Come on. Evening prayer. There went the sun. This day is done. I climb in bed and bow my head. Dear God, I pray, please end my day with quiet sleep, so soft and deep. Amen. Good night, God. It's time for bed. Time to rest my sleepy head. Keep me safe all through the night, till I awake at morning light.
Yeah.
The sun is gone, the moon has come, and that's a sign this day is done. Please, God, send angel here to stay until I wake to a new day. When the moon shines overhead, then I kneel and bow my head. At the end of every day, this is what I always pray. Bless the people that I love, keep us safe from up above. Bless me as I fall asleep on my pillow, soft and